Hey everyone, it's Andrew here, and I am restarting this channel to help creators and equip them to create high quality videos here on YouTube. So this channel specifically, I've started a few different channels in my time, and this channel specifically started as just some tech videos and tutorials for creating media, whether that's podcasts, live streaming, that kind of stuff for churches. I didn't really dive into it and like put everything into the channel. I just kind of made videos here and there, never really gained the traction. So I kind of just left it and I hadn't really done anything with it. But lately I've been wanting to kind of restart this YouTube journey, kickstart it, if you will, in a way where I'm going to actually pursue it and try to make it a priority of growing the channel. So one thing that I thought would be interesting to do would be to bring you guys along for the ride, because maybe, and I'm sure a lot of you watching this are in the same boat. Like you've started and you never really fully committed to the YouTube channel growth, or you're wanting to start a channel that, you know, you can either make a business or, you know, you just enjoy doing, whatever it is. I know there's other people in the same boat as me, so I figured let's just jump in and let's do this together. And so part of what I'm going to do on this channel is to share my journey, to share the analytics, to share the behind the scenes. And I think the main difference that I'm going to bring to this channel versus other channels that are talking about growing on YouTube is I really love the video making process. I like my catchphrase, if you will, is I'm a filmmaker turned educator. So I went to university for film, and I love making films and just videos and making things look really good and editing. And I love all the process of it. As you grow your channel, you're going to want to stand out from the competition. And especially if you're in a niche that's not full of people that know how to do video really well. So that's something I want to bring to the table, is I want to teach you guys how to do video really well and bring high quality videos. I want to bring that access to you guys and to teach some of those tools and tips and things like that, as well as how to grow and how to strategize for YouTube growth. So why does this journey matter? Why would you be watching this video? There's a lot of channels out there that'll tell you how to do the analytics. They'll show you how to do, you know, strategy and find keywords and all these. And these are great things, and I'm going to talk about them in other videos as well. But they're big channels. They have millions of subscribers, and it's a different level. And they'll tell you if you're in person, and some of them will tell you online, but it's a different thing when you're a small channel. It just is. You don't have the following. YouTube doesn't know your channel as well, so they're not going to push you as widely as they will someone who has a lot of subscribers and a lot of views and that kind of stuff. So it's a different level of strategy. And so I think that that's why this journey matters. Along with that, I'm going to kind of use this as accountability. And so there's some goals that I have moving forward. One right now, as I'm talking, let me pull it up here and look at my subscriber count. I'm at 496 subscribers. So I'm 4 away from hitting that 500 mark. And like I said, I've had around 300 to 400 for about 5 or 6 years. And I posted a couple videos, actually 3 videos over the last 3 weeks, that I brought in the other almost 100 subscribers. Obviously, the 500 mark is one of my goals as of right now, but hopefully that'll be done here soon in the next week. But I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I want to get monetized. So you have to have 1,000 for AdSense. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I would like to get there in the next, I don't know, like get up to that in the next 3 to 4 months. So one of the other things that I'm looking for is not really a goal, but it's really just this experiment of trying to make videos and see growth on YouTube. Again, I did that a few years ago, but I didn't really like try to grow the channel. I just kind of made a few videos I thought would be interesting. I really want to use this as an experiment. And I want to try different things and do different thumbnails and do different videos and try to build something that I haven't done before. I don't really have any goals associated with that, but I do look forward to seeing what works, what doesn't work, and what can I do and adjustments down the road to continue to see success. So I'm looking forward to that as well. Okay, so now that I've said all of that about what I want to do, I'm going to jump into the computer here and kind of show you the analytics from just the few videos I've put up over the last 2.5 weeks. And that's going to be something I'm going to do with these videos, is just kind of show the back end analytics, give updates on how the channel is growing. So let's jump over to the computer and look at that. All right, so now that we're here in the YouTube analytics page, you can see the overview here where I've gotten 3,089 views in the last 28 days. If you really look at it, you'll notice that like on Wednesday, October 16th, that was the day that I uploaded for the first time in 4 or 5 years. And there are some older videos that were still active. That's where these views were coming from earlier in the month. But right there on the 16th is when I uploaded that video. And so it got a few views that first week, and it's kind of tapered off. And then on Wednesday, the 23rd, I uploaded my second video. So I've done 3 Wednesdays in a row, and that one caught off quite a bit, got 800 views, and then it died back down again. And then on Wednesday, the 30th, I've just a couple days ago, I posted another video, my third video, and that has got a few views as well. So most of that, I would say probably 2,800 of that have been views from the last 3 videos that I've done, which is quite a bit for me in 1 or 2 weeks. I haven't really experienced that before. So some of that is trying to do better keywording in the descriptions, the titles, the tags, that kind of stuff, so that YouTube knows what kind of video to push it, what kind of video it is to push it to the right people, as well as really worked on thumbnails, having a couple of them. And I'm eventually going to want to have 3 YouTube thumbnails for each video to try out, to A/B test through the first 2 weeks. That way you can really find one that works really well. So I think that's helped as well. But I've also got, like it shows here, 73 subscribers have gone up, which this is great for me to see this over the first few weeks. Again, I had, like, even when I was putting these out, it just kind of was like, I'm just going to put my toe in the water and test it out. But I'm really excited about really diving in, doing this experiment, and seeing the growth that could happen. So the other thing is, just scrolling down, you can see the top content for this period is like my last 3 videos right here. These are the last 3. This just recently was uploaded, but those are my top content videos. So that's great. You want those to be at the top. And then if we come over to content here, the click-through rate is fairly low. It's a 2.7. That's lower than I want. I would like to have 4 or 5, but it's just not there. And then the average duration is only 2 minutes. I mean, a couple of the videos are a little bit shorter, so that's why. But then I have some longer videos as well. But I do like the idea that the retention on some of these are pretty high, 66%. And then this one drops off pretty quickly. So these are just the analytics. I'm just showing you, I'm walking through them real fast to show you kind of what we're looking at, and how, and this one right here has probably got the most views, and you can see the retention's even pretty high. And so I already have, like, through the comments on this video, I already have another video that people have asked for that kind of ties into, this is about ISO and how cameras work. And I'm going to do another one. There's already one that I'm going to record next week or the next couple weeks that will tie into that. And that's because that's working and it's growing. So I'm going to keep doing that kind of stuff. So this was just a quick look. Again, I'm just starting off. I don't even know what to look at sometimes at the analytics. And so that's something I'll be sharing with you as well as I grow and I learn more about it. Really, this is just kind of my journey. So I'm just sharing it. And if you're looking for some quick help on what kind of videos to produce for your channel to grow, you can watch this video right here, and it will show you the top 10 video ideas that you can take right now and apply to your channel, and it will help you build and grow your channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like the video if you can, and comment any other questions or video ideas that you may have, and I'll see you in the next video.